You know a project is big when you lose your staff in the house. Our Marina Side condo project is going to complete in about 3 or so weeks, 3.5 weeks. This is the first time that you are seeing this site. This is a pink quartz that has just been installed in the shower, and you can see one panel right now, and it looks so, so good. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the vlog. You know how much I love to do in progress house tours, and I'm gonna kick off the vlog with one today. The exciting thing about this house tour is that this is a brand new project that you haven't heard anything about just yet. We've been keeping this project under wraps for a little while. This we're calling the Chateau. So if you want to head on over to our Instagram page, House of Bonn, and follow along with progress on Instagram, you can follow the Chateau. It is a 20,000 square foot house. And this home really is a castle, which is why we are calling it the Chateau. But you know what? Let's do a walk around because I want to show you this space. Come with me. We've got a nook. Huge nook, gorgeous millwork is gonna go over here. A big table as big as we can fit. We're gonna do a custom table, custom furniture. We're gonna seat 8 people, 10 people, 12 people, even more if we can fit it in this area. Big doors that go outside. Let me show you the floor, because this is the very first time that we have ever worked on a house that has done complete marble floors, and you gotta see this. There's 3 tones of marble. There's a border in Nero Marquina, the black marble, Arabescato in the middle, and then escarpment in the very center of this floor. When I say that they have spared no expense on this house, I really mean it. Standing in the west living room, so there's 2 living rooms in this house. As you can see, coffered ceilings are going in. Behind me, there's going to be a huge fireplace, which we're gonna work out some of the details for this fireplace today. We're flanking the fireplace with some millwork. There's gonna be a really big seating area, a kids play area. I'm really excited about this sitting room because we are doing a gorgeous, huge marble fireplace installation. We're gonna flank this with 2 marble frames that are going to frame out some artwork. This is just gonna be a nice, warm, more of a formal sitting area. Walking through a huge entryway, which leads into the dining room, which is open to the kitchen and open to the east living room. Right now, we're deciding what are we gonna install on these columns. We've been talking about some moldings. We've been talking about maybe a mirror detail. Over here in this little alcove, there's gonna be some really incredible built-in millwork, a beautiful glass and mirror display. The dining table is gonna be completely custom. Chairs are gonna be custom. We need to sort out what we're gonna do in the ceiling. What are we gonna do for a chandelier? Because when you come into this space right off of the entry, you see it. This needs to have an extra type of chandelier. And this space is open to the east living room. So there's really 3 living rooms on this main floor. This is a larger living room. You can see all of the nice bright light that's coming in the morning. Again, a huge marble fireplace flanked with some custom shelving. In here, we're gonna do seating. We haven't totally figured that out yet, but we will. Back in this corner, we've got office space, powder room space. Let's quickly go upstairs. Okay, so this house has a total of 12 bedrooms, about 16 bathrooms. Let me give you a taste of how these bedrooms and bathrooms are coming together. So I am currently standing in one of the master bathrooms. As you can see, there is marble on the walls. These are not tiles. This is slab that has been cut for the walls and for the floor. Drywall has been finished, so all the concrete board is in, wires have been pulled. Bedrooms are just being framed out. Millwork is going up, so you can see that we're doing a step detail with the coffers. Right now we have a big open coffer, a double step, and then a crown molding, just to give the house some more character, to give the bedrooms some more character. We really, really want to layer in all of this detailing. And this has been very Art Deco inspired. So as you walk around the house, you'll see a lot of detailing that's very geometric and a lot of repetition. Down the hallway, this is going to be wall paneling. You can see that some of the paneling has already been installed. This is all going to be framed out. The finished carpentry definitely will be painted, but whether or not this is paint or wallpaper is yet to be decided. Let's go downstairs. Okay, lower floor. As you can see, more marble is going down on the floor. To my right is a tasting room, and I am so excited for the design in here. There's going to be some beautiful booths. There's going to be bottle display, gorgeous flooring, gorgeous ceiling. This is going to be a pretty incredible and intimate space. And when you come over here, there is a massive bar area, indoor car garage. In front of me, theater space, of course, huge theater, and then a couple other rooms, closet downstairs, there's a spa downstairs, there's a study area. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting some more spaces, but you guys can see this place is, well, it's a chateau. We are currently reviewing all of the materials, all of the finishes, all of the design decisions that have been made to date. So some of the fireplace material, millwork material, furniture pieces. We want to review that all internally and just make sure that we're happy with everything. And then we're going to run that by our client this afternoon. Everyone, how are you? Oh my goodness, this hail is crazy. It has been a very, very, very busy Monday morning. I am very excited because I'm headed over to our Marina Side condo project to give you guys an update on progress. Okay, everyone, I'm really excited for you to see progress. Our Marina Side condo project is going to complete in about 3 or so weeks, 3.5 weeks. So we really are at the tail end of construction at this point, and I'm excited to see how it's going. Yeah, that looks really, really great. And then you're putting a new board down here. Yes. Awesome. Well, this is looking good. The last time that we were here, we were checking out all of these corners on the ceiling. Mudding and drywall needed to be touched up to have a nice, clean, straight edge. Looks like this is ready to receive paint. Finished carpentry is happening all along the stairs, so this baseboard is new, this is in. I just love this baseboard, it's a simple detail. I really like to use tall baseboards. I always think that it makes a space look so much more elegant. Standing in the little girls' room, millwork has been installed. I'm really excited about this. We've got a custom bed that's going in with drawers below the bed. In a condo scenario, you always need extra storage, so I'm really happy that we went with extra drawers underneath the bed. Doors have been hung. hardware that's been installed. The casings look really great. I love this profile that matches perfectly with our baseboards. We've got just this double step that's happening. It's simple, but really elegant, and it's just a nice geometric profile. We also opted to go with gold hinges and gold hardware. So just a little extra sparkle for the hardware in the house. Okay, this is what I really wanted to come here for, because you have to see this. So countertops have started to go in. We are going with a clean white quartz, so a solid surface. The master bathroom countertop has been installed. It looks really good. I love that this is just nice and clean and white. We're doing a beautiful fluted, almost like a reverse fluted cabinet base. That's gonna look really interesting. I am loving the idea of all these different textures kind of speaking to each other with the reverse fluting white cabinet, the marble floor, and then look at how special this is. This is a pink quartz that has just been installed in the shower, and you can see one panel right now, and it looks so, so good. Oh my God, this master bathroom is gonna look so good. Kat's a stylist, you know, so she's been fun to work with.
Or a nightmare?
No, because you're so creative too. So it's fun to feel like it's a collaboration. I almost feel like this can't be Chantilly lace that's on the walls.
It is.
JP, you need to film this. This is Chantilly lace, white dove, and alabaster. And these are so yellow in comparison.
And they don't look like that on the swatches. They're quite beautiful on the swatches. But that looks like...
Okay, bye.
Ciao.
Yeah. Well, that's good. And now, on to the next one. Here. Don't laugh at my socks. Although you usually wear colorful socks. This is very exciting. This is the first time that you are seeing this site, the French restaurant that I have talked a lot about on the channel and on my Instagram. I've showed you design. Well, we're here to meet with Caris Lighting, the lighting manufacturers that we are collaborating with, to talk about lighting. So last time you saw my team and I running through the lighting design for this project. We have an unbelievable design that I'm so excited about. This is in the Vancouver house, a very well-known, brand new development that is underneath the Granville Street Bridge, and that's where we're standing right now. You may recognize the chandelier that's behind me. This was a huge art installation, very expensive. You can Google it. That was installed underneath the Granville Street Bridge. That, you know, created a lot of buzz for this project, and we're gonna go into one of the commercial units right now. And because we've been talking about the amazing lighting design, we talked about that a little bit on our last video, and we talked about collaborating with Caris Lighting, and so here they are, and we're really excited about this installation because it's a big one, so we're excited.
You said we have millwork that would hide our driver.
Correct. Yes. Well, the millwork, so the columns are angled and the millwork...
We are doing this incredible lighting installation. The whole design concept for this restaurant is inspired by Art Nouveau. We have this amazing architecture with angled columns, and what we decided to do is create a custom light fixture in the shape of flowers that look like they're just growing off of the column. By just dressing them up with a little bit of copper lighting, that is going to let the architecture speak while still illuminating the space. So we're really excited about that. And then over here on the left, we have our big bar. This is going to be a showpiece bar with a custom light fixture hanging above the bar counter. We're very, very early on here, so there isn't really a lot of light. In this center area, this is where we're gonna have tables and chairs, some custom banquettes, along with some more custom lighting. Over to my right, there's a huge opening here. You're gonna have major visibility into the kitchen. There's a whole area behind me, a raised dining area. I mean, this is a huge restaurant. This is 4,600 square feet, right downtown Vancouver, and really exciting. We're very excited that it's finally in construction. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks.
See you again. With any construction project, there is a ton to coordinate. You saw our new Chateau, our large residential project. We are coordinating tile patterns, millwork, door profiles, hardware, brass inlays, crown molding and applied molding is gonna go. There's so much to coordinate. Over at our Marina Side condo, we've got all the finishing details that have to happen. Finishing carpentry, railings, a custom gold shelving unit. There's hardware, there's stone to be installed. Plumbing fixtures still need to be installed. Electrical still needs to be finished off. When you're doing really custom and bespoke work, there is a ton to coordinate. I forgot to pay for parking. I didn't even think of it. Shit. Damn it.